तो ये चेन्नई क्लाइंट, लग्जरी वाला क्लाइंट आपका सुनेगा क्यों, आपको टाइम क्यों दे?
इट्स अ वेरी पर्टिनेंट क्वेश्चन सीजो. हाउ डू आई से दिस? ओके, मतलब मैंने आपको बताया कि आपने उनको सोर्स कैसे करना है, आपने उनकी तरफ बात कैसे करनी है. तो उससे भी आपको इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ बताओ, जब बात करते हो तो आप क्या करोगे? यू हैव टू बिल्ड ट्रस्ट. आपका उन अगेन बोला ना, इट्स नॉट अबाउट द प्राइस, इट इज अबाउट रिसेप्शन, राइट? तो हाउ डू दे परसीव यू इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. डू दे ट्रस्ट यू? If you are able to make them feel good about conversing with you, they are likely to talk to you again, come back to you. It will give you a chance to pitch more properties to them. But to do that, you also have to win their trust. So build trust, become part of an organization. To do that, you want some credibility, ना? आपको credibility चाहिए. Be part of an organization that gives you credibility. Become part of an organization. I myself found a big change happening once I became part of a association in Goa and then NAR में आया. तो it is not necessary that you become part of NAR or, but become part of an organization that gives you credibility. Find something that matches your wavelength, become part of it. It gives you big credibility. Because why does it give you credibility? Organization, I will talk about NAR because I belong to it. We have a code of ethics, a code of conduct. When they know that you belong to an organization that has got all these things, it becomes big credibility point for you. Before RERA came in, we had a code of conduct. Before RERA came in, we had ethics, a code of ethics, which all our members are supposed to follow. So become part of an organization that gives you credibility. You have to also, along with that, position yourself as an expert. Now you will say, what is position yourself like an expert, right? Now I'll tell you this. How do you get a person gets called an expert? Either he has got years and years of experience in it, correct? Or he has done sales like and become very famous. But for a beginner, how do you become an expert? You all must be thinking this. कह रहे हो एक्सपर्ट बोल देना आसान है यार, बनेगा कैसे? Earn credible certifications or qualifications. Do that. I myself have done it. I did a course through RICS. I became a RICS, associate of RICS, Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors. I got certification from them. Did a course in business management, real estate business management. So there are certain land institute hai. There are many other places offering such courses. I was lucky कि मैं NAR का part था. I was able to do it because I got it at a throwaway price. A fourth of the price I would have otherwise paid to do the same course in MIT at half the period of time also, because I was a person who came as an executive through the executive learning course. I was able to do the course in a much shorter time, at a dedicated time, and a time of our choice, plus at 1/4 of the cost and half the time. So you have to do these things. Find courses, do those courses, do certifications. NAR India is part of National Association of Realtors. They offer a lot of courses. So residential, certified residential expert, right? So there are commercial real estate experts, international property consultant. So these certifications come in, and these certifications give you huge credibility. जब आपके पीछे दीवार पे एक सर्टिफिकेट टंगा होता है ना, डॉक्टर MBBS डॉक्टर के बीच में और एक क्वालिफाइड स्पेशलिस्ट के बीच में जो फ़र्क होता है वो आपके अंदर आना शुरू हो जाएगा. वाई डू दे डू FRICS, फेलो रॉयल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ medical sciences or whatever thing they call themselves? So the same way, I proudly call myself a associate of Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors. I have the authority to give valuation. और वो आपने कमा लिया तो आपके बीच में डिफ्रेंसिएशन आ गई. Do courses, do online courses are there. There are physical courses available. This is the best way of being certified as a credible expert. Earn that credibility. वो आपको काम करने से मिल सकती है. 6 महीने का कोर्स करो, 3 महीने का. I'll tell you an example of one of my friends. He was a batchmate in that RICS course from me. हम तो वहीं रह गए. He has earned in the last 3 years 28 qualifications. I don't think in India there is anybody more qualified than him in real estate today. So, this guy was a pretty suave guy earlier only. बहुत पढ़ा लिखा आदमी था, बहुत अच्छे से इंग्लिश में बात कर लेता था. He was of the HRI class only, yet he realized to position himself as an expert, he requires more than the normal. So he became that, and he took that time and pain to become it, and today he is a much sought out expert in this field. So do that. I think another बहुत important चीज़ बोलूँगा शीजू, be value driven and dependable. So when you have given them कि I will speak to you so and so time, please do it. And एक बार आपने उनको प्रॉपर्टी सेल कर दी and he has a point, some issue, and he calls you up, respond to him. Be dependable. He will give you more sales than you can even imagine. You know, people discount the reference customers. I will tell you, in luxury, reference is the best way to go. You won one customer, he will give you 10. It will take time, but once you do it, reference beats everything. But to get that initial closures, you will have to do what I have told you, all those ways.